positive 4. Hello, Mr. Geiselart here. We're going to take a look at number 3 on homework number 8 in chapter 11. And again, I'm going to start just by the limit as h approaches 0, and that's going to be h on bottom. So again, I'm going to write my limit up here. So the limit as h approaches 0 of 6 times x plus h squared minus 10 minus 6x squared minus 10. All of that over h. So when I simplify that, and remember, that's what's going to go down there. I just don't have room to write it there when I'm doing it like this. So h approaches 0 of 6 times x squared plus 2hx plus h squared minus 10 minus 6x squared plus 10, all of that over h. So let's go ahead and see if I can, we need parentheses there, and see if I can simplify this a little bit more. So the limit as h approaches 0, I'm going to distribute this 6 to all of these. So that will be 6x squared plus 12hx plus 6h squared minus 10 minus 6x plus 10, all of that over h. So I have 6x squared. So I have negative 6x and a positive 6x. I have 10 and negative 10. So I'm left with the limit as h approaches 0 of 12hx plus 6h squared over h. Now again, I have an h in every term in the top, so I can factor that out. And that will give me h times 12x plus 6h, all of that over h. So now my h cancels out, so I have the limit as h approaches 0 of 12x plus 6h. Now, I put a 0 in for h, so that's just 0, so my answer is just going to be 12x. So now if I put a 9 in place of there, so that would just be 12 times 9, and I have 12 times 10. 12 times 9 is 108, 12 times 10 is 120.